Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to solve each and every problems in this book, which is named Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics. So there are two books, so one is the learner's book and the other is the workbook, but in this course only we are going to learn the learner's book, and in another course we're going to learn of workbook. So in our first chapter, we got integers. In getting started, we have 1a, find all the prime numbers less than 20. So we all know what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which have two factors, which is 1 and itself. For example, 5, 7, 11. Composite numbers, however, are the numbers which have more than two factors. Example 9, 14, 27, because they are divisible by other numbers as well. However, 1 is not a prime number as it has only one factor, which is itself. So in our question, find all the prime numbers less than 20. So the numbers should be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. This should be the answer. Into number B, show that there are two prime numbers between 20 and 30. So let's see what are the prime numbers. So B, 20, 21 is a composite number, 22 is as well, 23 isn't. 24 is also 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And then we got 30, which is also a composite number, and it gets out of the range. So these are the prime numbers. Now we have to do number B, find all the two-digit multiples of 18. So we will first start by multiplying. 18 times 2 is 36. 18 times 3 54. 18 times 4 is going to be 8 4 is the 72. 18 times 5. We'll be doing it until we get a three-digit number. There's no point in doing this because if we add 18, it's going to be more than, it's going to be three-digit numbers. So these four are the only two-digit multiples of 18. We have number C. Find the highest common factor of 18 and 12. 12 and 18. First divide it. 12 ones are 12. 6. Gonna get 12. So maybe. So the HCF of 12 and 18 is equal to 6. There's also another way to do it by dividing 12 and 18 together, but we need the lowest prime number at first. It's gonna be 2, 6, and 9. And these two are divisible by 3. So 2 and 3. Therefore, HCF equal to 2 times 3, which equal to 6. Same answer, just two methods. Now going to number D, find the lowest common multiple of 18 and 12. This, however, is only in one way, which is the one I just showed here. LCM, you have to also add these two, multiply these two together with that. So LCM, this is number D, by the way, 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. Or you can also write it like this. 2 square times 3 square. That's also okay. So what would be the answer? So if 2 square equals 4 and 3 squared equal 9. It's going to be equal to 36. To number 3, so in A, we got negative 6 plus 3. So negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. Then B, negative 6 minus 3. So we just minus the thing. So we get minus 9. Negative 6 times 3. We just have to multiply it. So as a rough, negative 6 times 3. So we know that minus times plus equals to minus. Thus, whatever, we will just multiply it and negative sign here to get negative 18. Just keep in mind that minus times plus is equal to minus, and minus times minus equal to plus, plus times plus equal to plus, and plus times minus equals to minus. Anyways, heading on with the other ones. In E, we got 8 plus negative 10, which is going to give us the result of negative 2. And an F is negative 5 minus negative 9. So at first, we multiply the two minuses, which gives us minus 5 plus 9. Therefore, the answer should be 4. Is number 4. Write whether each of these numbers is a square number, a cube number, or both. For 4a, we got 49. 49 is a square number, therefore it's a square. In 4b, 27 is a cube number, as 3 times 3 times 3 equals to 27. Therefore it's a cube number. For C, we got 1000. It's going to be a cube number because 10 times 10 times 10 is equal to 1000. 64. 64 is both. Now number 5, finally, find the square root of 100. So 5a square root of 100, which is obviously 10. Number B, cube root of 125 is going to be equal to 5, as 5 times 5 times 5 equals to 125. Then we go to number C, the square root of 15 square minus 12 square. So how do we find this? So we just keep the square root here. 15 square, what do we get? 225 minus 12 square, which we get 144. So we subtract that thing to get 81. We get 9. So the final answer is 9.